Hello everyone, so today I will share how to make this duotone double exposure effect in Canva. So I have used this image which you can download from freepik.com, and this is a free to download image and the link will be in the description. If you want to download, you can do that. Okay, so now I will bring this image in the canvas and I will just make it bigger. And after that, click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, so when the background is removed, after that click on edit and scroll down to find duotone, click on custom and change the highlights color to this sea green color. For example, I will try this one. And shadows will be proper black color so that it looks best in this depth, and intensity will be 100. If you want, you can change it to any intensity, but if you keep it to 100, the main color will pop out, which is the sea green color. Okay, so after that I will just duplicate it. Okay, and I will click on flip horizontal and I will make it bigger and I will keep it right here. Okay, and I will move the first one slightly down, this one, and this one slightly up, making it bigger. Like this. Okay, and this one I will change the highlights color to red. So I will keep to red here and I will bring the cursor right here. Okay, and after that decrease the transparency to 95. Okay, and after that I will go to apps here, click on here and write blend, click on image blender and click on it and click on linear. And after that I will just work in here and use this effect till the point which I require. Like this. Okay, and after that I will click on strength to increase it slightly, and after that click on save. So it looks like this, and to enhance it, scroll all the way up to find elements, and here I will write dark gray background and go to photos, click on see all, and let's use this one and let's try this one. So this one looks the best, and now I will just increase the brightness of both the pictures by clicking on edit, click on adjust, increase the brightness to 25 and increase the whites also to 20. Okay, like this, and let's do the same for this one. Increase the brightness to 25 and whites to 20. So in this way you can design the duotone double exposure effect in Canva. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next.